Welcome. We will start with some basic questions and then go in detail. First question: what is a product changeover in the pharmaceutical industry? A product changeover refers to the process of switching from the production of one product to another within the same manufacturing facility. It involves cleaning, setup, and adjustments to ensure that the new product meets quality standards and does not become contaminated by residual materials from the previous product. Basic and important question: why is product changeover important in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Product changeover helps to prevent cross contamination, ensure compliance with regulatory standards, and minimizes the risk of product mix ups, all of which are essential for patient safety. What are the main steps involved in a product changeover? The main steps in a product changeover includes reviewing the changeover plan, cleaning and sanitizing equipment, equipment setup and calibration for the new product, verification of materials and components, in-process checks and documentation, and final product testing and quality checks. What is the role of cleaning in the product changeover? Cleaning is one of the most critical components of a product changeover. It ensures that there is no residue or contamination from the previous product. What are cleaning validation requirements for product changeover? Cleaning validation is required to confirm that cleaning procedures are effective at removing residues from the previous product. Validation involves developing and executing cleaning protocols, taking swab or rinse samples, and performing analytical testing to ensure no residual product remains on the equipment. What is the role of standard operating procedures, that is SOPs, in product changeover? SOP ensures that all steps are followed consistently from cleaning to equipment calibration to minimize the risk of errors and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. What documentation is required during the product changeover process? Documentation required includes changeover logs detailing the cleaning, setup, and verification steps, equipment calibration records, and cleaning validation reports. What are the challenges of product changeovers in the pharmaceutical industry? Challenges includes ensuring thorough cleaning and validation to prevent contamination, minimizing downtime to maintain production efficiency, and managing complex equipment configurations and product specific requirements. How is the changeover time minimized in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Changeover time can be minimized by standardizing changeover procedures, using equipment that allows for quick setup and cleaning, planning changeovers in advance, and scheduling them efficiently. What steps are taken if a deviation occurs during the product changeover process? If deviation occurs, it must be thoroughly investigated to determine its cause. Corrective actions could involve recleaning of equipment, recalibrating machines, or revisiting the setup procedures. What is the role of cleaning agents during a product changeover? Cleaning agents are critical for removing residues of the previous product from equipment, containers, and surfaces. The choice of cleaning agents depends on the type of product, the material of the equipment, and the potential for contamination. What role do operators play in the product changeover process? Operators are responsible for executing the changeover process according to established procedures, including cleaning, setup, calibration, and documentation. What are visual inspections in the context of product changeovers? Visual inspections are a critical part of the changeover process where operators visually confirm that equipment is thoroughly cleaned, free of contaminants, and properly set up for the next product. Very frequently asked question: what is CIP or SIP process in the product changeover in pharmaceutical industry? CIP, that is clean in place, is an automated cleaning process where equipment is cleaned without disassembly using cleaning agents and rinses. Whereas SIP, that is sterilized in place, is a process that sterilizes equipment using steam or other methods to eliminate microbial contamination, ensuring it is ready for the next product. Both are critical for efficient and compliant product changeovers. What are the potential risks associated with inadequate product changeover processes? Inadequate product changeover processes can lead to several risks, including cross contamination of products, equipment malfunction or miscalibration, incorrect product formulation, or incorrect labeling. Basic and important question: what is line clearance and why is it important during changeover? Line clearance is the process of verifying that the production line is free from previous product materials, documents, and equipment before starting a new product. It prevents mix up and contamination. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.